The worlds of architecture, design, and art may seem like open, creative endeavors, but they may not be quite as spontaneous as they first appear. When we look at great moments like these, there are similarities that we just can't ignore. All these instances adhere to the same compositional proportions. These proportions are known as the golden ratio. So what is the golden ratio? The golden ratio is a mathematical figure. It was first theorized by ancient mathematicians to quantify the beautiful asymmetry found in nature. Specifically, the golden ratio is equal to roughly 1.618. When the ratio is applied to shapes, like this square, you get a rectangle of harmonious proportions. When the original square is placed over the rectangle, you get a diagram that is representative of the golden ratio. Renaissance artists used the golden ratio extensively in their paintings and sculptures to achieve a sense of balance and beauty. Leonardo da Vinci, for instance, used it to define all the fundamental proportions of his painting of the Last Supper. However, these days it's debated whether the golden ratio is a true universal law. Over the years, Stanford math professor Keith Devlin has run an experiment. He's shown students different rectangles and asked them to pick a favorite. His finding? Students seemingly prefer rectangles at random, which could suggest that the golden ratio is not the subconscious standard of beauty that Greek philosophers believed. That said, ultimate truth may not matter. For artists and designers, the golden ratio can still be a powerful tool for creating aesthetically pleasing designs. Take the Twitter logo. Each part of the logo can be defined by circles that align to the golden ratio. Graphic designer George Bakua is known for modern, minimalist logos for clients and brands all over the world. When designing logos, he relies heavily on the golden ratio, and specifically its derivative, the golden spiral.
In my case, I love the shape of the golden spiral. The shape itself feels right, looks good. I just use it whenever I can.
So, is the golden ratio true, or is it a myth? For designers and artists, it may be just one more tool on the quest for creative perfection. Learn more on Skillshare, an online learning community with thousands of classes in design, photography, and more. Learn, find inspiration, and unlock your next step.